Hello, my name is Sawyer West, and today we will continue our optimization of finding prime numbers very fast. And today we will be applying a concept called early return to our code. What is early return? Well, when a script finds the answer to its problem, we want the script to return the answer as soon as it finds it. Because if it continues doing work after it finds the answer that it doesn't need to do, then it's going to be very slow. So how can we apply this concept to our code? Here is the current version we looked at last time, and this is a method for testing if a candidate number, which is our integer input here, is this number prime. As we saw before, we have a Boolean variable which keeps track of if we have found a number which is a divisor of the candidate, and we declare that before this for loop here. And this for loop goes through each number less than the candidate and checks if that number is a divisor of our candidate. This symbol right here, this percent sign, that is called a modulus. So what that will do is that will return the remainder of a division. So for example, 7 modulo 4 is going to be 3. And 27 modulo 4 is also going to be 3, because 27 minus 24 is 3, and 24 is divisible by 4. So if our candidate is divisible by the divisor, which means that the modulus is 0, we set this Boolean variable right here to false. And then after we finish this for loop, we return candidate is prime. So think about how we might apply early return to this code. And if you've already seen the answer, you've already figured it out, guess how much faster our code is. This time trial right here was taken when we try to find the first 1,000 prime numbers. Ready? Let's take a look. So when we apply the early return to our code, we actually simplify it a little because we don't need to keep track of this Boolean variable to say, are there any divisors of this number? We can just say, as soon as you find a divisor, return false. Otherwise, return true. And when we run this code, this is about 10 times faster. We can see this is 12.5 milliseconds, and the previous one was 116 milliseconds. So almost 10 times faster, which is great. It's a very simple optimization to our code, which buys us a whole lot. Thank you for watching.